Mid-Michigan Catholic Church is suing the state.
According to the recent lawsuit, St. Joseph in St. John's claims its constitutional rights could be violated.
Taylor Morris is here for you now after sitting down with an attorney representing that parish. Taylor?
Sherry Lauren, the lawsuit comes after church officials say the new sex and gender protections under the state's amended civil rights law could prevent its school from teaching according to their faith.
We're just asking for clarity on the law. We want to make sure that the school can continue to operate just as it has for nearly a century now.
A lawsuit filed by St. Joseph Catholic Church in St. John's comes after the Michigan Supreme Court ruled in July that sexual orientation and gender identity are protected in the state's Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act.
And this can create problems for religious communities who are asking that their teachers and their staff agree with their faith and agree to teach and model that. Can also cause problems for schools who have different rules for girls and boys and who follow religious teachings about gender and sex and sexuality.
The recent lawsuit is addressed to Attorney General Dana Nessel, the Department of Civil Rights, and the Civil Rights Commission. 6 News reached out to Nessel. Officials in her department say they haven't received a copy of the lawsuit and have no comment at this time. However, back in March, Nessel stated the term sex goes beyond just male or female, and that people in Michigan who identify as LGBT should be protected.
When ELCRA was passed, and it was to protect people who were either, women or people who were in the minority.
Michigan's law now is really unusual. It doesn't have any kind of religious exemption for churches and schools who are trying to live out their faith. Most other states do, and federal law does.
When it comes to the next steps, officials at Becket Fund for Religious Liberty says they are waiting to hear what the Attorney General and Civil Rights Commission have to say about the lawsuit. According to their lawyer, once they provide their response to the court, the case will go forward. Sherry Lauren.
Thank you, Taylor. Well, Michigan State Police detectives have